Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Children, once again, I welcome to all in my SST class. As you all know, children, that already we had finished chapter 16, Chennai. Okay? So, in this class, I am going to discuss with you all objective question answer of chapter 16, Chennai. Okay, student? So let's start the class with A section. A section is children, tick the correct answers. Okay. First question is Chennai is the capital city of A. Karnataka, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala. Answer will be children Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now second question is children, Chennai gets rainfall in A. Summer, B. Winter, C. Both of these. Children, answer will be here C. Both of these. Okay. Chennai gets rainfall in both of these, in summers also and in winters also. Okay. Third is Avadi in Chennai is famous for manufacturing of A. Tanks, B. Guns, C. Aeroplanes. Answer will be children A. Tanks. Avadi in Chennai is famous for manufacturing of tanks. Fourth is popular dance form of Chennai is A. Bharatnatyam, B. Kuchipudi, C. Kathak. Answer will be children A. Bharatnatyam. Okay. Popular dance form of Chennai is A. Bharatnatyam. The people of Chennai, fifth question, the people of Chennai mostly speak A. Tamil, B. Kannada, C. Telugu. Answer will be A. Tamil. The people of Chennai mostly speak Tamil. Okay. Now everyone come to the B section, fill in the blanks, choose words from the box. Okay, words are given children. Silk, Avadi, Tamil Nadu, fourth, Bharatnatyam, hot. These all are the words children and you have to choose these words to fill the blanks. Okay. First question is children, Chennai is the dash largest city in India. Answer will be children fourth. Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. Second is it is the capital of dash. Children, answer will be here Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Third is Chennai has dash climate. Answer will be here hot. Chennai has hot climate. Fourth is dash saris of Chennai are famous all over the country. Answer will be children silk. Silk saris of Chennai are famous all over the country. Fifth is children, there is a factory making tanks at dash in Chennai. Answer will be children Avadi. There is a factory making tanks at Avadi in Chennai. Okay. Sixth question is children, dash is the most popular dance of Chennai. Answer will be children Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the most popular dance of Chennai. Okay student. Now everyone come to the C section. Match the following. First is children language. Children please match it with D Tamil. Okay. Second is children dance. Please match it with A Bharatnatyam. Okay. Third is festival. Please match it with E Pongal. Fourth is industry. Please match it with B film. Fifth is children beach. Please match it with C marina. Okay everyone. So children, now everyone come to the E section. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. Okay, this is true or false. First question is children, silk saris of Chennai are famous all over the country. Here you will write children true. Okay. Write here T in the box. Silk saris of Chennai are famous all over the country. Okay. True. Second is rice and its various preparation are eaten by the people of Chennai. Answer will be children T. Okay. True. Rice and its various preparation are eaten by the people of Chennai. It's a true statement. Third is Chennai faces the Arabian Sea. Children, it is a false statement. Chennai faces Bay of Bengal. Okay, not Arabian Sea. It is false statement. Okay. Now everyone come to fourth number. The most popular festival of Chennai is Durga Puja. Children, write here false because most popular festival of Chennai is Pongal. Okay, write here false. Now everyone come to the fifth number. Fort St. William is located in Chennai. Answer will be, children, false. Fort St. William is in Kolkata, okay, not in Chennai. Okay, student? So, write here false. Now, everyone come to the F section. Put a circle around items belonging to Chennai. Some items are given, student, and you have to put circle which belongs to Chennai. First is Vesti. Please circle it. I had underlined. You can circle. Okay, you have to circle in your book or in copy. First circle Vesti, Dosa, Pavadai, Rice Rasam, Bharatnatyam, Pongal, Tamil, Marina and Golden Beach. Okay, children? These words you have to circle. Okay? Which I had underlined. You have to circle it. Okay, student? So, children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video, children, with long question answer of chapter 16, Chennai. Okay, student? Till then, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye-bye. And thank you, everyone.